If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your OneDrive subscription, follow these simple steps to manage your subscription settings effectively. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the OneDrive website and sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. Make sure you use the account associated with your OneDrive subscription. Step 2. Access account settings. Once signed in, click on your profile picture or initials in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select View Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Subscriptions. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Subscriptions or Services and Subscriptions section. Click on it to view your current subscriptions, including OneDrive. Step 4. Manage Subscription. Locate your OneDrive subscription in the list. Click on the Manage or Manage Subscription link next to it. This will take you to a page where you can adjust your subscription settings. Step 5. Turn off auto renewal. On the subscription management page, look for the option to turn off auto renewal. Toggle the setting or click the appropriate button to disable it. Confirm any prompts to finalize your changes. By following these steps, you can successfully stop the auto renewal of your OneDrive subscription. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to Microsoft support for assistance.